Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I'm back with the new recipe of the week. I know for sure many of the people are tired seeing pineapple on pizza, but I have a delicious and comforting recipe for you this monsoon season. To check out the new recipe update, I'll go to the Wonderchef app on my smartphone. I'll go to the cloud recipe, click new tab, and the new recipe update is pineapplesheera. Here's the description and the ingredients. Let's keep the tray ready. So in the first step, we have to prep it up for the pineapplesheera. My ingredients are ready, the pineapple chunks and the dry fruits. I'll click OK. In the next step, we have to attach a multifunction blade. I have already attached it and I'll add little ghee and pineapple for the saute. I'll add half teaspoon of ghee. Now I'll add the pineapples. As the pineapple is chopped, I'll keep this separate and start making sheera. In the next step, we have to attach the saute blade and start with the heating of ghee. I've already attached the saute blade. I'll add 80 grams of ghee. As the ghee heats up, I'll add 100 grams of rava and click OK. In the next step, we have to scrape the sides and add dry fruits. Let's add almonds and cashews. Click OK. In the next step, I'll add sugar and cardamom seeds. 80 grams of sugar and cardamom seeds. And click OK. In the next step, I'll add water and pineapple. And click OK. Chef Magic will cook pineapplesheera for 6 minutes and my Wonderchef app will keep me updated. The pineapplesheera is cooked and you can garnish it with dry fruits and serve it warm.